Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy blue cheese dip. This recipe is incredibly simple and perfect for any occasion. You'll only need a few common ingredients, and it comes together in just minutes. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this creamy, tangy, and utterly delicious dip. Let's get started on this fantastic culinary journey right now. First, let's prepare our main components. Take about 4 ounces of your chosen blue cheese and crumble it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, measure out 1 full cup of rich mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of cool sour cream, adding them to the bowl. Finally, mince 1 small clove of fresh garlic very finely to infuse a wonderful, subtle aroma into our dip. Now, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Using a spoon or spatula, gently mix the ingredients until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain some texture from the blue cheese. Then, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty lift. The final, crucial step is to chill your blue cheese dip. Cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. This resting period is essential, as it allows all the individual flavors to fully develop and meld into a harmonious, delicious blend. Once chilled, your amazing blue cheese dip is ready to be served with your favorite snacks, like crisp vegetables or spicy buffalo wings. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.